Why must visit Montreal? Montreal is the second largest city in Canada. It's well known as a center for commerce and culture, as well as a hub of French-speaking North America. It has an interesting mix of buildings and architecture that testify to its history as a major port, dating back to the French Empire. The highlight of this major city is its cultural offering, an impressive range of world-class museums and galleries, alongside a palpable artistic vibe. It's a trendy city of arts and cultures, with a natural environment and a rich history. Located in the southern part of Quebec, Canada, Montreal is filled with vibrant neighborhoods, historic buildings and surprise-filled cobblestone streets. From its language, French, to its cuisine, jumbo poutine, to its architecture, the Basilica of Notre Dame de Montreal is exactly what I would call high Gothic architecture. Montreal has something for everyone. Montreal is a city of neighborhoods, and each has its own unique vibe. From the Bohemian Plateau and Mile N to the artsy Mile X and Saint-Henri, the city offers an eclectic mix of neighborhoods and cultures that reflect its history as a melting pot and gateway to North America. There is no other place like it. If you're planning a trip to Montreal, you should consider staying at least 3 days so you can experience as many neighborhoods as possible. The Plateau is one of those rare, iconic neighborhoods around the world where there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for restaurants, bars, boutiques, art galleries, street festivals or nightlife, you'll find it here. The village is full of antique shops, street art murals and cafes. For people who want to eat their way through the city, Saint-Henri offers some great options. Dating back to 1833, Saint-Henri is one of Montreal's oldest communities and has evolved with time into a hip neighborhood filled with old factories converted into restaurants and boutiques with beautiful displays of gourmet food products lining the streets. The best part is that all these businesses are locally owned by people who live in the neighborhood. If you're looking for more nightlife, Montreal is a city which you must visit at least once in your life. A next-level city in the familiar French-Canadian milieu. Here is a city that can give you everything: culture, recreation, music, and art, and much more. Visit Montreal and take it all in.